Happy Sunday. We're back. It's another blessed day, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to go pick up some work shoes. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. It has been cold this whole weekend, and it's supposed to get colder next week. So, you know, just trying to get out and film when I can. Actually, it's a crisp 50 degrees out today, so I said, fuck it, let's go. But yeah, anyway, I'm Ra. It's my 03 Cobra. I hope you guys have tuned in. Those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, click the subscribe button. I definitely will be having a whole lot of stuff popping off this year as far as content and, you know, what may have you. But yeah, man, it's just a blessing. Oh my God, the way they just pulled out. It's just a blessing to even own this thing, bro, completely. I have a 03 Cobra. That's my buddy. And, you know, I'm thankful completely. But anyway, yeah, just a quick little run to go pick up some work shoes. My work shoes are actually falling apart and I can't take it anymore. It's mid or beginning of January, and within the next 2 or 3 weeks I will be doing my fuel system and I will be doing my mass airflow sensor. Why? Because it is definitely limiting me on how high I can rev this car and how much power the car could put out. Right now it's pushing out about 504 horsepower, 490 torque, which is great by all means, but there's so much left on the table and I want what's left on the table. For sure. I actually have a buddy from YouTube, SN95 Power. He's actually pulling up today. Come take a look at the car, you know, review it, chop it up, whatever may have you. And I'm definitely glad that he's able to pull up on me. He's coming all the way from Illinois, and he just so happened to be in town. So, you know, I'm thankful for that. Definitely need to go clean this thing before I do, for sure. This thing needs a vacuum for real. Oh, come on, guys. What are y'all doing? Boost weather for sure. You hear the way that engine is singing, bro? I can't wait to go E85 because then I'll be able to floor it like I want to. Oh, it's a little chilly. But yeah, man, definitely a lot in the works. As you know, it's wintertime, so it's really like mod season and grind season. Go to work, stack up your paper, do all those things, and that's really what I'm focused on. Focused on getting my bread to the point where, you know, the car can be on autopilot. Say, yeah, I want to do that, pull the trigger. Yeah, I want to do that, pull the trigger. Which I can, but, you know, we could always have more money. Shouts out to my family for supporting me. You know, it's a long road, and it's just a push. You got to push, man. Ups and downs, you know, you got to push through it. So that's the plan. Jesus Christ, the way these people drive. I really don't trust them, bro. They really drive like ass. Pure ass. Yeah, it is beautiful out.
More moments later.
Alright, we are pulling up. Had to weave through all the traffic. We'll go in here and go grab some work sneakers real quick because they're definitely needed. And if you know me, you know I'll park away from everybody. Haha. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, just picked up my little work shoes, in and out like a robbery. I need to go rinse this thing off and vacuum it out. What is this thing? That's a Honda. Haha. Jesus Christ. I wish they could do these streets, these roads, and have them really nice. It sucks. Completely. My girl, you need your brakes done. Come on, guys. Just kind of stuck here. That was nice of that lady. I think I need some gas too. It's crazy. I really haven't got on the car in like a month now. Ever since we did the little RPM restrictor thing. Really need to get that mass airflow sensor. I really want to get on it. I don't know what it feels like at 504. Just because I don't want to like go too crazy with it. Just want to take it easy. Little bro, no. 143. She is running strong though. Feels really good. I am in the market for long tube headers and I do not know which ones I want. All I know is I cannot get BBK long tube headers. My shop will not install them. I'll say no BBK headers, which I get, you know, I get it, but still I need to find out what headers I want to go with, man, to be honest. All the headers for this car are like crazy expensive, you know. American Racing headers, Cooks, they're all expensive, so I need to figure it out. Change my mufflers. Definitely gonna keep my mufflers for now. Eventually I'm gonna get boreless stingers, but for now I like these. Just rinsed the car off. Ready to go meet up with SN95. Gotta go to the crib first, but definitely had to wipe down the interior and whatnot. My gym. All right. Feels good. You guys know me. You know I don't drive my car off. So I'll be having water spots and whatnot on this damn thing. I really like to just get it detailed. Jesus Christ. All right.
A few moments later.
Got what I needed. We are on the way to the crib. Look at this, and it's actually raining. Haha, crazy. I just rinsed this thing off. Completely sucks butt, but it's okay. Maybe it'll only rain for a little while, not too long. Be nice. I understand. Yeah, we're gonna make it through this light. Yeah, well, we're gonna still shoot for this little meeting with SN95. Just wanted to catch you guys up on what the hell I got going on. I completely understand I've been lacking on videos and whatnot, but you gotta understand it's the winter time and I make a lot of POVs, so unless I start vlogging and making like other kind of content, I'm gonna keep this up. Hopefully we don't have a harsh ass winter, you know, be nice. But this week I will be trying to figure out what long tube headers I'm getting and what pulley package I'm going with. I'm not completely sold on keeping this 276 upper because I feel like it's gonna overspin the Eaton. So I'm thinking about going with a bigger upper because I am changing the lower. So I might go with a 4-pound lower and a bigger upper. I need to go on the forums and see exactly what people have done in the past and what kind of numbers they were looking at. I want to maximize the ported Eaton. I don't want to overspin it, but I want to maximize it. And I'm still looking at ways to try to keep it cool. That Venom mod might help, but from what people have been saying, it only cools the snout of the Eaton, not the whole entire Eaton itself. So we've got work to do. I've got research to do, and you know, it is starting to come down. You know me by now any damn way. I'm Ra. This is my 03 Cobra. Stay tuned. Next February, we will be going to Caffeine and Octane up there in Kennesaw. But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.